All right, it's raining, so I'm gonna make this quick, but put it down. The back's off the ground.
Both sides?
Yes, like a lot. Like there's a foot off the ground over there. Anyways, today is the truck. We're going to be putting these, not these. We're going to be putting these Chevy 63-inch springs on the back of the truck to replace these Toyota springs and hopefully ditch my blocks in there. And hopefully that'll kill our axle wrap issue. We already have the traction bar in there, and that's been working great. That totally fixed the traction bar issue, but this is more the long-term fix. I may or may not leave the traction bar in there with the Chevy 63s. I don't know yet. And we're going to be using this kit. This is the Chevy 63 kit from Low Range Off-Road. So now I'm just going to load up, and we're going to head over to Matt's dad's shop and get to cutting. So we'll pick up there. I do have to stop and pick up some bushings for these new springs, so we're going to do that. The only place that had them was Napa, so, which is fine. I like Napa, so we're headed there. We're measuring for bump stops right now. Gosh, I need to get the new suspension up front. But so these are the 63s. Lots of room over here. And they're about flat here and tucked up in there.
It seems like your truck is stable.
Yeah, pretty much as long as the front's on flat ground, I can't flip it. But we definitely need to do something about the front. The front needs a solid axle. But yeah, this is like chest high. Nothing crazy, but we're getting there. So the plan today was to do the bump stops and put a 2-inch. Oh, you know what though? Don't do that. You're twisting the rubber real bad. I mean, it won't break it, but yeah, so we need to do this again. I've got to put a 2-inch block to get the ride height right, and get the skid plates and stuff on, but after that we'll be good to go. So there it is. Now we're gonna measure Matt's truck and see what where is at. He does not have the 63s in yet and is a bit lower than mine. You want the forks closer? Oh boy.
My back tire's on the ground?
Yeah. But I don't know if you can do that. Oh, it's coming off.
Back tire?
It's spinning.
Right there?
Weak.
Mine has way less.
Quite a bit, yeah.
Those are really smaller tires. Measure that.
We got some work to do. But with 63s and 3-link, you'll be way further than my truck.
Alright, now let's do the front.
That's a good way to flip it. I wouldn't do that.
Bruh.
Honestly, you should sit in it to see what it feels like.
Feels like you're dying.
Yeah. I mean, it's not. We've definitely been further on the trail, though.
What?
Like I've definitely been leaned over further on a trail.
Yeah, from here it doesn't look bad at all.
Yeah, when we were putting the shocks on, we put them as collapsed, like as possible.
Oh.
Yeah, here it is. That's it, boys. Right now it's 24 inches long.
What's the bottom half?
The cylinder's 14.
And you're at what? 24? So you have some room.
Dude, just pull a full whistling diesel and just stab the side. Let's throw it in the wood pile.